The Ghana Industries and Manufacturing Awards celebrate innovation in the industry with ultimate aim of compelling professionals and companies to compete locally and globally. Industrialization and manufacturing is the way forward for the growth of the country. Manufacturing contributes a great deal to the GDP growth, though it's believed with perennial energy crisis, some manufacturers have stood the test of time and others have innovated over the years. On the back of this, the Ghana Industries and Manufacturing Awards aims to recognize and appreciate players in the industry for the good and hard work done. Some awardees at the night expressed their delight.
We thank Imperial Communication for such a nice award. The bank is thriving and doing well, and we hardly expected such an award. This award boosts the bank, the institution, to do more. Currently, it's a rural bank that's the first in Ghana, has over 300 staff, creating employment in the economy.
I'm actually impressed with the extent to which they reach industries and manufacturing industries in the country, all over the country. So we in Crane Construction are very, very happy that we won this. It just tells us that we need to work hard to be more effort and satisfying our clients.
This is the main edition of this award, and we are privileged to win this award, Best in Lot Faithful, and we are privileged to win this award. It's also important that people who see industry part of this award. It's very important that we get together and support the industry award.
It's now time